Hey, I just want to make a quick video today to show them what I do with my cooler. It's an Engel deep blue, and you have these crappy latches they come with. I've been through about 5 or 6 of them, so I decided to get some of these draw latches. You can get them at MSC or Granger or any place like that, or maybe a Fastenal. I think a lot of places carry them, but anyway, I'm just going to make a quick video of installing these latches on here and eliminate that problem of breaking the other latches all the time. Pretty much I'm just taking a drill and drilling a small pilot hole. And I've got these cap head screws, and I got them from Home Depot. Just gonna install with these so I can get it to work. I'm gonna get them snug, not too terribly tight, because I don't want them to strip out. But put the other one in. Alright, that one's good to go. And then you just got to put the little latch that the rubber part goes through. And on these I found out that the top, if you put the top at the, oh man, if you put the top even with the first of this edge right here, that's about where it needs to be. Just center it up, put the top on the edge, and I'm going to drill these 2 holes and do the same thing. Just put these screws in here and after they're in, it should be good to go. It operates like that now, and maybe we won't have to buy any more Engel latches.